Microsoft Office 365 installation setup on Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Very easiest method. Explain. Google search box lo Office setup download. Enter key press. First link, download Microsoft Office 365 for Windows and Mac. Link click. Microsoft 365 official web page complete display. Middle section lo two buttons display. First one, download now. Blue color button click. Download Microsoft 365 related two buttons display. First one, download for Windows. Second one, download for Mac OS. First button, download for Windows. Click. Download section lo Office setup.exe setup file downloading process completed. New tab. Click. Search box lo Office customization tool. Enter key press. First link, Office customization tool Microsoft 365 apps admin center. Click. Microsoft 365 apps admin center official redirectory web page complete display. Left side, deployment settings. First one, which architecture do you want to deploy? 64-bit automatic system detected, and left side circular tick mark set default. Mouse scroll down. Office suites related box, right side down arrow click. First one, Microsoft 365 apps for enterprises. Option click. Mouse scroll down. Apps section lo turn apps on or off to include or exclude them from being deployed. Unnecessary application tick mark remove. Third one, OneDrive desktop unnecessary. Left side edge mouse left click. Fourth one, Outlook Classic unnecessary. Left side mouse left click. Publisher unnecessary. Left side tick mark mouse left click. Offset bottom side blue color button. Next click. Next option, languages. Select primary language. Right side down arrow click. Number of languages display. Select your convenient language. English, United States. Option select. Mouse scroll down. Next button click. Installation options. Default set. Scroll down. Next click. Blue color button. Next click. Again next button click. Next button click. Show only selected applications. Buttons display Office related. Selected all options. Scroll down. Finish button click. Right side top section lo second button export click. Second option, Office Open XML formats. Left side circle tick mark set mouse left click. OK button click. Middle section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Downloading setup file name display configuration. Left side first button export click. First button keep click. Download section lo configuration.xml file downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo two set of files display. Select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Folder close. Desktop mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo folder click. Keyboard lo delete key press. Folder name enter Office 365. Enter key press. Select mouse double click. Mouse right click. First icon paste click. First one select mouse right click. Third option rename click. Remove Office set setup. Enter key press. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo CMD enter. First option, command prompt. Related, right side. Second one, run as administrator. Click. Windows command processor. Window first button. Yes, click. Enter the command. CD space keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Keyboard lo enter key press. In this video description section lo second text command paste. Asterisk command copy paste here. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Command prompt window close. We are getting things to ready. System configuration verify. Wait and here minimum 5 minutes. After system configuration setup process completed, Microsoft window display. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. Selected applications installation process start. Task manager right side show hidden icons arrow click. First icon Microsoft icon click. Microsoft 365 and Office are installing in the background. 0 to 100% completing the process. Wait and here minimum 15 minutes depending on internet speed. You are all set. Close button click. Desktop Windows search box lo PowerShell enter. First one Windows PowerShell right side second option run as administrator click. PowerShell window lo first button yes click. Enter key press. Enter 2 key 1 key press. Installing. Window close. Close. Desktop Office 365 folder select unnecessary. Mouse right click delete. Windows search box lo Word. Enter. Select. Accept the license agreement. Accept blue color button click. First template select. Chari Tech Info.